Give me a child until it's 7 and I will show you the man. Your life is a printout of your subconscious behavior. The movie The Matrix is not science fiction. It's a documentary. Falling in love is the equivalent of taking the red pill biologically, because what it does is it keeps you what they call mindful, keeps you conscious. There is no cancer gene. That's an absolute truth. I can say it right here. There is no gene that causes cancer, not one. You have to have some life stimulus to kick it off. Stress is a chemical. It causes the blood vessels to shut down. If you understand epigenetics, you don't need the pharmaceutical industry. You can heal yourself without drugs? And I go, absolutely. It's really an adjustment of consciousness, not an adjustment of your biology. The brain is the chemist. Change the picture, you change the chemistry. The pharmaceutical industry runs the show in medicine. If you could put this kind of healing that I'm talking about into a capsule or tablet, they'd be talking about it right now. A gene is a blueprint. Genes are not a metric of evolution. What is a metric? Consciousness. 7 billion humans come together to create a super organism called humanity. That's our evolutionary paradigm. That's where we're going.